This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Bhopal BJP MLA Bhagwan Das Sabnani has started using an electric auto instead of his personal car. He said he was inspired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's message about saving fuel and protecting the environment. The MLA believes that every citizen should make small efforts to reduce pollution and save energy. After the Prime Minister's appeal, he decided to choose eco-friendly transport. His decision is now being discussed in political circles. Many people are appreciating his steps. He also said that using electric vehicles can help reduce air pollution in cities. Former Indian cricket captain Kapil Dev visited Bhopal and met Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav at his residence. The Chief Minister welcomed him with a bouquet of flowers. During the meeting, they discussed ways to promote sports in Madhya Pradesh. Kapil Dev said the state is moving forward in sports development. He added that not only cricket but also other sports should be encouraged. He appreciated the government's effort to support young players. The meeting focused on improving sports facilities and motivating youth to participate in different games. The protest against the Kenvetwa link project became stronger in Panna district. Congress State President Jeetu Patwari visited the Dhondan Dam area on Tuesday. The administration placed barricades to stop him, but he and his supporters crossed them and reached the protest site. Patwari accused the government of taking away the rights of tribal people. Protesters demanded the release of activist Amit Bhatnagar. Some women said they would not eat or drink until he is freed. A tribal woman was also seen lying on a symbolic funeral platform in the hot sun demanding justice. In Jabalpur, a judge from the Madhya Pradesh High Court came to court by bicycle. Judge D.D. Bansal followed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal to save fuel. He rode about 3 kilometers from his home in civil lines to the High Court. Many people noticed him on the road. He said saving petrol and diesel is everyone's responsibility. He encouraged people to use bicycle whenever possible. His action is being praised as a good example for society. It sent a strong message about protecting the environment and reducing fuel use. In Indore, a special wedding procession became very popular because of the extreme heat. To protect guests from the hot weather, a long canopy was placed over the procession. More than 20 large coolers were arranged to keep everyone cool. The wedding took place at a hotel and many people gathered to see this cool wedding. Madhya Pradesh is facing severe heat and temperature is rising in many cities. This creative area helped people to stay comfortable during the ceremony. The event shows how people are finding new ways to fight extreme summer heat. Madhya Pradesh is suffering from extreme heat. Ratlam recorded 45 degrees Celsius for the second day in a row. Indore reached 43.2 degrees, the highest this season. Ujjain recorded 43 degrees, Bhopal 41.2 degree, Jabalpur 40.8 degree and Gwalior 39 degrees Celsius. Shajapur also crossed 44 degrees Celsius. The weather department has issued a heat wave alert for the next few days. People are advised to stay indoors during the afternoon, drink plenty of water and avoid direct sunlight. The heat is making daily life difficult in many districts.